Wrestling fans, today we're going to open a pack of 2021 AEW Upper Deck wrestling cards. Looking for Cody Rhodes' first AEW card, and MJF rookie card, and Sting's first AEW card. Here we go. Who do we have? Who's inside? Really like to pull an MJF. We've got Chuck Taylor, Broken Matt Hardy Gold. Really cool Kenny Omega Wednesday in Action card. That's a very thick card. We got Ricky Stark's main features. And the Butcher and the Blade tag team cards. So very sweet. We got that Wednesday Action insert card.